Hi, Miss Christina. Nice to meet you. I'm Belcha, manager of Bulan Semata.
Hello. Nice to meet you too, Miss Belcha.
First, I'd like to congratulate you on passing our aptitude test. You did very well. Tell me about yourself.
I'm graduated 5 years ago from Rio University. I majored in public administration. When I graduated, I got a job at a Pajay company in the pilot marketing staff. I am interested in your company because I have seen company reviews and many positive things mentioned. I want to contribute and give my best for the company. But I soon realized I was not cut out for this job and decided to move to another company. I decided to take the administrative route.
What is your strength?
Making good use of my time is my best absolutely beside me to understand the function of the Microsoft Office because when I was in junior high school majoring in computers, I'm always a person who really sticks to discipline and honestly.
What is your weakness?
I always do something according to the deadline given. I'm always in a hurry to work. Therefore, I'm ready to learn to stay calm and pay extra attention in my current work.
Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
I hope I can add skill about administration so that can I do more in this work and have a better understanding of the rhythm of this work. If possible, I would like to meet the person who last held this position.
Why do you leave your previous job?
There was no room for me to develop in the previous company. I'm very ready to move on and look for a bigger challenge.
What does work mean to you?
For me, work is not just about making money. However, how can I do my best so that it contributes to the progress of company?
What is your attitude toward critique directed at you?
In my understand, humans generally don't like to be critiqued carelessly. Personally, I accept critique direct at me. If critique is good and constructive, I will be to carry it out to improve myself. Otherwise, I will ignore it.
What will you do when you have a big problem at work?
I will find the root of the problem in order to find the right solution. After that, I will run the solution in order to fix it. In line with this corrective action, I will always determine preventive action because the problem does not occur again.
What kind of work environment do you prefer?
I like to work in a fair environment or things are transparent. Standard operating procedures are clear as a career development plans and reward are applied objectively. Apart from that, I always enjoy working with optimistic and passionate colleagues.
Do you have a question for us?
What roles and goals do you hope I can fulfill in next 3 months, 6 months, or 1 year?
What do you see yourself in 5 years?